So the weather sucks, and yeah, you can see the rain. You can't see the rain. Yeah, the weather today sucks. I'm also going back to an old school way of using my RX100 for my vlogs. No microphone, just raw RX100. If this is gonna do a bit of work, I might as well go back to an RX100 Mark V. I don't know, but yeah, the problem with the RX100 Mark V is it does not have the awesome focusing of this camera with the eye-out focus, and doesn't have HLG, and there's a lot of things it doesn't have. But also that one has a 5-minute cap for 4K recording. This one doesn't have any cap on a 4K recording, and I've been doing 4K lately. But that camera is good with everything. It's light. It's one of my favorite. It was my first RX. No, it was actually my second RX 100. But I got that one. That was the first one that I directly bought brand new. Anyway, I'm using the RX 100 Mark 7 right now for all you jargon people and nerds like me. But yeah. Also, you notice my glasses has a lot of reflection because I opted not to have the coating. And now I understand why lenses have good coatings, because look at that, it's reflecting all the light, and it's annoying sometimes. But anyway, I'm gonna go to the Filipino shop and get some blood or dried fish, and this thing is annoying me. And then let's see how this goes. It's raw filming right now. Yeah, I want to improve in my vlogging. I haven't been doing that good lately, but content wise, it's my diary. Okay guys, let's go. Let's stop talking. A bit of flooding on the streets right now, and yeah, rainy. I want to shoot in the mountains because there's gonna be fog areas in the mountains today, but I have to do a lot of things. I also want to shoot tomorrow, but I have an exam and I need to finish my assessment. So yeah, we're gonna have the shooting a bit next time. I mean, we're gonna go out and shoot next time, not today. Also, I'm trying to get used to vlogging right now. It's been a while, man. It's been a while. So if ever I suck at everything, I blabber and everything, just forgive me. Okay, Philly shop's there. Also, a bad day in Victoria today. We have around 1,400 cases, which is a lot. We have around 1,000 yesterday, or 1,029, or more. It was like 900. But right now we have, this one looks crappy. Not right now, we have around 1,400. That's a lot, and it's gonna grow because yeah, due to those protests and everything else. Anyway, I need to get inside. Okay. Went to the shop, which is located somewhere there, and just found some dumplings. So I'm gonna try them. They're frozen, a bit expensive, but yeah, they even have shomai, pork shomai. Anyway, I'm gonna need to buy some lemon. I usually buy the the odd ones because they're much cheaper, and they're the same lemon. But yeah, I'm gonna go to Woolies right now. I'm gonna go back, and then I'm gonna go home and do my stuff. So yeah, that's it for today. But we're not ending yet. We're gonna go to Woolies. Let's go. Okay, done with the Woolies run. And the thing is, yeah, I was supposed to go there for only lemons. But what I got is, I got some of these. So they're coconut water, and they're made in the Philippines, or taken from the Philippines. It says it's vegan. Oh no, it's from Vietnam. Oh, that's weird. I think I got the wrong one. Let me double check. Oh shit, I think I got the wrong one. I got the Vietnam one. Oh fuck! Oh well. Yeah, let's taste Vietnam. Oh, damn it. I should have got the one from the Philippines, but I got the Vietnam one. I wasn't paying attention. Anyway, let's go. So yeah, those are the quick trips I do every day. I go to the shops, buy some stuff, go home. And now that the rainy week is coming, yeah, we're gonna stay home more, and it's gonna be tougher. Fucker. But yeah, 15 kilometers. That should be fine. So we're cooking shomai right now, and also we're gonna cook this because I was just testing it out, you know. It's fine. Oh yeah, lamb is not bad, but you'll feel the langsi feeling of it, but it's fine. I'm not even an expert, but yeah. Could definitely taste the kanding flavor. The langsi. It's fine. Okay. So we had our shomai earlier, but after taking it off, still needs more cooking. Messed up. I was so excited to get it out. It's not fully cooked. Still have one lamb here. Let's take it out. Lamb. There you go. Okay, I'm struggling. Back to vlogging nonsense, quick vlogs. But yeah, this is just for today. I'm going to be using this camera. And I'm going to take a shower after eating. And then I'm going to go to work. So I don't know. I might end the video anytime. Might be an abrupt ending, but yeah, possibly. So I put the RX100 in the cage, and I don't know if I'll like it because it's not portable. It's not small anymore. But the thing is, compared to the A7C, this thing is much easier to carry around rather than this thing is much easier to carry around rather than have those lenses which are big. Because this one, when you turn it off, it goes slightly smaller. And yeah, the only thing is the audio. I need to put in the Rode Wireless Go and plug in audio here so that I can get good audio. So yeah, you have to do an extra step to have good audio because audio is the way. Like this one here, like has crappy audio. I don't know how you're gonna deal with it, but it's crappy. I'm gonna work on it later. Yeah. So I guess I'll end the vlog this time with me saying that I'll try to make better vlogs, but I just don't have anything in mind. But yeah, so rest assured, I'll try my best after all this hurdles, maybe around November. So we'll be putting up daily good vlogs this coming November, because by that time I'm sure that we're out of lockdown. With lockdown, I'm not sure if I can do a lot of things, because I just live here in the house and I have uni till the end of November. Also, you wish me luck in my studies, man. How could you? Okay, that's it for now. September, goodbye. Hello, October, tomorrow. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, yeah, that's it.